No, that's an Apatosaurus. Well, looks like she's doing pretty good today. Hey, Park Ranger LB.
Yeah?
What are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm just learning how to fly the Dino Zapper drone.
Oh man, you're never gonna learn how to fly that thing. That's why we have them all on autopilot, so they can keep the dinosaurs in their paddocks.
Well, I'm actually getting very good.
Hey, wait a minute. I think I see one right over you. I think it's heading right towards you right now.
Oh no, I think I see one. I better get out of here. I'm coming back to HQ.
Okay, I'll meet you back at headquarters. Oh, wait a minute. I think it's coming over towards me now. Ooh, I better get out of here. I'm gonna go hide. I'll see you back at headquarters. Oh boy, gotta get rid of that drone. I think this one's gonna leave me alone. See what I got in the old backpack here. Smiley poo. Man, what does Park Ranger LB put in these backpacks? Oh, I tell you what. Dino poo? Oh boy. LB, man. Here we go. I ought to do it. Nerf blaster. I bet I can take this drone down with that. Okay. Boom! Oh, missed. Come on, come back here. There you go. Uh-oh, misfire. Oh no. It's gonna come zap me now. Oh no. Whoop. There we go. Woo! Oh, last one. Oh, man, I missed. I'm never gonna get rid of that drone. I wonder what's in my backpack here. The LB pack that I can use to distract it. Hey, a red RC Jeep. That could come in handy. Oh yeah, cool, he packed the control too, cool. Wonder if this dino drone will track this Jeep. I wonder if I can trick it. Give it a try. Come on, little Jeep. You can trick him, come on. Bring it back. Okay, this didn't work. What else did LB leave in this backpack that might get me out of here? Wow, check it out. It's a Jurassic World Tyrannosaurus Rex Dino Hybrid. Awesome. Does this thing make noise? I think it, ooh, yeah. Hey, you know what? I bet if I open this up, I think I might know a way to get rid of that dino zapping drone. Find out something with my binoculars here first, though. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's what I thought. It's a T-Rex zapping drone. Gives me an idea how I can use old T-Rex here to get rid of it. Cool, let's get this bad boy opened up. Spike reveal. He's got like these blades. Awesome! So he's like a mix of two dinosaurs. But I think he looks like a T-Rex enough that this drone's gonna be faked out. So, where's my RC Jeep here? this drone thinks this is a real T-Rex. Okay. Here we go, T-Rex chasing drone. Too much weight. There we go. Go, 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 go. Working. Uh-oh. Oh boy, here's a dinosaur. Going after my Jeep. Oh, oh. Well, that'll get me out of here. Hey, Park Ranger LB, I got rid of it. I'm coming back now. Dino poo. See ya.